healthy burgers and homemade mayo.
For the mayo, we will need the following ingredients: 1 whole egg, a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of oil. And now we blend. Now we have completed our mayonnaise.
Now to make the burgers. First, we're going to cut the tomatoes and onions into slices.
Now we're going to chop the onions into slices.
We are going to be using 100% grass-fed beef to make the burgers. We are going to divide our ground beef into 4 portions and form them into patties.
Now we're going to cook our burgers until preference. Now we're going to cook them for 2 to 5 minutes on each side. Now we're going to flip them.
Now we're going to assemble the burger. Taste test.
Yummy!